I'm Dave Jones, Director of Hafod Renewable Energy, and we've installed a 34 kilowatt solar PV system at Gwyn Caravan Park in Tywyn, North Wales. The system consists of 86 solar panels installed across the 5 roofs, and it'll help the caravan park to produce its own clean energy. It works particularly well on the caravan sites because there's a constant base load of electric used in each caravan. There's 250 caravans here, so that's like 250 homes. So all the solar panel power produced will be used on site, so it'll be virtually 100% usage, which is what you want nowadays with no feed-in tariffs. The savings alone will make the system pay back in approximately 6 years.
Hi, I'm Rodri Owen. I run Gwyn Holiday Park near Abergala on the coast in North Wales. We're a family business. We've just installed a 34 kilowatt solar installation with Hafod Renewables. We're quite a high consumer of electric. Energy is something that we do think about quite a lot. We also coincide our high usage with the summer months when a lot of our customers are here. So that combined with really wanting to try to make the site greener just made a lot of sense for us to install it. Should also save us some reasonable money. We think it should pay back over no more than 6 years, and the panels should last 20-25 years, so it should represent a good investment for us as well. So all in all, a bit of a no-brainer for us.